application program interface to YouTube. It's preparing to live stream. It's setting up my meeting in YouTube Live. So it's done recreating. And notice, can you come here? Notice,
Yeah.
you see here, when you notice, are you looking? I don't see yourself looking here.
Please bear with me. They can have trouble with this one.
You see,
Yes,
by default, the mic it's muted.
yes.
So that's good. And you see by default, you see this powered by Zoom. You have the
This is the
moniker.
YouTube. Let me also go to the YouTube for a second.
Okay, you can, and I'll show you where it is.
Okay, here's YouTube.
Can you move a little bit?
Just a second, please.
Okay, and see if it's muted. See how it's muted by default? Now you know where it is, and then you can copy the URL if you want. To your notepad. Okay.
First of all, I want to add the comment in the chat. Paste with the file name. Uploading. And when I copy the URL of YouTube to the clipboard buffer, copy it. Paste it in the chat.
Then do file save.
Let's expand them all to see what's going on there. I cannot say.
And what, you don't need it.
Okay. Now when I go to my notes and paste the URL, edit, paste in my notes and file save.
Tell me when you're done.
Then I want to edit to Pixar as a comment.
Okay, but we want to get going. We just don't want to hear all your comments that are not relevant. Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be going again talking about a product called Vapi, V-A-P-I, standing for voice, the V for voice, API, application program interface. And we're going to show again how to do a phone create and phone number create that we're able to set that up today, hopefully. And we will attach a chatbot to it. And our goal is to call that number and see if it works. Okay. So I have my recordings in place. I'm recording to the cloud. I'm recording on YouTube, and my AI companion is also running, so it will give a summary of what we are doing.
Just a second, I'll be back.
So do you want me to wait for you? Okay. So what I'd like to do is to share my screen, and I'll review what we've done before. So if I share my screen right now, you can see my screen. I'm going to go to a browser. I'm going to use Chrome as my browser. You see that we are streaming live to YouTube. You see our YouTube live portion here. We have that done. We have that done. And now I'm going to open up another tab. And the tab that I'm going to be looking at is VAPI for voiceapi.ai. And if you look at the voiceapi.ai, you see that this is the YouTube that we were broadcasting to, and you can see that this is Vapi's homepage. And let me make this larger on this homepage here, and you can see here that this company of VAPI is what they're trying to call out as its enterprise-ready voice AI agents. So my goal here is today is to be able to create an enterprise-ready voice AI agent. And we'll be looking at the today and then the language models. You can see some down below, some of the language models and sponsors that they're using. So this is the voice AI agent that they're using. You can see on their features, flexible for engineers, but my case here is I want to just show you how easy it is for business users. It's amazing that you can, it's a global market, so you can talk to your agents in English, Spanish, Mandarin, or another 100 supported languages. Everything is exposed as an API with 100% configurations and integrations, automated testing, tool calling. And the whole idea is that we want to think about it as reliable, scalable, and secure. And can I get a cup of water here, or a bottle of water, if you could give it to me too? Thank you. Why don't we get two? One for each of us. Give me the cap, please. And then you get one as well. And this is a startup. And they're trying to do guardrails, and notice they're trying in terms of security, be regulated by financial and healthcare services, being PCI compliant, which means credit card, SOC 2 for financial institutions, and HIPAA for portable healthcare, to follow that as well. Okay. So this is our terms and features, terms of docs. These are welcome developer documentation, getting started with the website, documentation, community, GitHub if you want, enterprise plans. We're right now going to just start with a demo ourselves. So I'll have Dr. Zoom. I'll stop sharing. And Dr. Zoom, would you like to proceed and try another?
Yes, I will share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm looking for share. And I click the share
Not on the side, you click share.
icon, select the entire screen,
Yes.
and click the share button. And
Let's
it
see.
comes the next thing.
Dr. Zoom has started sharing. Okay. Now, the only problem is very busy, and we're going to have to cut out a couple of things so the end user can read it. So if you can move a little
What
bit.
bothers you? Tell me, please. Here, we can minimize the camera just a second. Minimize one camera here.
Don't show this again.
You want to click and don't
Yes,
show that
yes,
again. The computer, this meeting is being sent to a third party, also being transcribed for AI companion.
Okay. Just click
Why
on
not
it.
to show it?
You can just say, and then you want to stay as co-host.
On the click on stay co-host.
Right. And just exit this, turn on volume and thing because it doesn't have it. And then can you, does this need to be there?
You don't want it there?
Well, it's
You
easier
can
for people,
minimize.
minimize so people can see what you're sharing. You understand?
Yes.
So you don't have such a cluttered screen.
Fine.
And then take this off too. This blocks it. So cut this off. No, because then you block the screen.
It's already, there's nothing to do there, just leave it alone.
It's not.
Let it shine the light on you in the back. Now you can see it in the back.
Yes, but
Why take over you.
no, I don't want.
Turn off.
No, I don't want to.
Start.
The SAR is on.
Record.
Amazon coordinate on and the SAR is on.
I see it. Just push.
I'm already showing my face, so I don't need them. And you may want to take off your flash because it's flashing. Do I stop sharing? No, I'll be sharing again.
Okay, what test would you like me to do?
Now share the screen and go to Vapi. Let's do it. It's
Share the
already.
screen again or?
Yes,
Okay, so I'm going to share the screen again,
yes,
full screen,
full screen.
click the share button.
Right, let me see it. Now go into what we want to show today is we want to show.
Which browser do you want me to use?
Well, are you sharing your screen?
Yes.
Well, then why do I see your faces?
You didn't
You
work.
didn't, because you didn't click. You have to click that and you have to click share.
I clicked it and I click share. It's the same thing.
Excuse me. Excuse me, watch what I do. And stop sharing. Okay? I click. I click. And now you want to go to your browser. Where's your browser?
The bottom.
It's not in the bottom.
Okay, I'll go to the browser.
No, right. So go to the browser. You want to go, which browser do you want to use?
Whichever browser you want to use.
Okay. All right. You have to go to a browser first
Okay,
to
so
share.
we're in the browser, and now we go to Vapi AI.
No, you want to open up, you want to say, you want to open up a new tab.
Open up a new tab.
Now you want to type in VAPI. You want to type
Type
VAPI dot. Yeah. You may want to put that in your notepad so people can see.
Fine. Okay, so now I'm in Vapi.
Okay, now you're in
Where
Vapi.
should I go next?
Where should you go next? You're creating Vapi.
No, you're teaching
Oh, okay,
how to sign out.
okay. Hold on.
Please take your time. In the meantime, I want to start the song.
Don't meantime anything. Okay. All right. Now you're on Vapi. Now you want to basically on Vapi, what you need to do is you have to figure out what account you want to open
No,
up.
they will give me the menu later. You have to type some information. Click some clicks first.
Open dashboard. Or do you sign up? You want to sign up again?
Sign up, yes.
Okay, we're gonna start with signing up.
Right.
Click on sign up.
So I click on sign up, and that opens another screen. That's the AI dashboard.
Hold on. Okay, you have Vapi.ai dashboard. This is very confusing when I see all these notes here. Okay, now, let me just do some kind here. Move a little bit so I can see your screen. Okay, that's fine. All right. Okay. So do you want to just do, so don't you have to,
Now it's
no, now you're in,
the way Dr. Zoom is right now logged in.
yeah, do you want to continue with that?
No, I want to log out and register a new user.
Okay. So let's see how we can log out. Set up, go all the way. So make, where do you see it that you can log out?
Right on top of the username. Look at my finger.
I have to,
But here, look
no,
at
it doesn't matter what I have to do. I have to go to view full screen.
Fine.
That's what I was missing. Okay, now I see. Well, I
Here you
had,
go.
yeah. Okay, you're now in, I see log out. This is your past account.
So right now, the user, way Dr. Zoom is logged in,
Mhm.
when I use another user.
Yeah, and what you want to do too, can I just make a point
Please.
here?
So
When, if you go to the overview on total call minutes.
Overview on total call minutes, yes,
You see that it says you have a total call of 5.4 minutes.
yes.
So I don't know what the total is, but there's no reason to spend 5 minutes on a call to get it done. I think why it was so long is that you were getting confused and had the background noise of the YouTube live.
The reason is we couldn't stop the call.
Well, the reason we couldn't stop the call is that it had a background noise it had a background noise.
Right.
It had a background. I need to see. I cannot see without having my glasses.
Didn't say anything about the one.
Yes, it hurts when you do that, please. That you have on the upper left-hand corner, it says call minutes. Do you see that?
Fine, so keep it shorter.
Keep it shorter.
Fine.
You see already, that second call was just way too long. So that's why you have it nicely here that you've already turned off your Zoom.
So let's move on then.
Okay, you turned off your YouTube live. Okay. So what do you want to do? So you want to log off?
Yes, I have to log. I don't need to log out and then log in another user.
You have to log out.
So I click on log out.
Okay, so log out.
So now I logged out.
Okay.
Now I want to use another user.
Yeah, so you want to do,
I want to
you
use
don't have an account,
I
sign
want
up.
to use a Google account.
Right.
So I select Google.
Yeah, and now you want to choose an account.
And now
Which account do you want?
let's use it is train AI.
No, I'd rather reserve that for myself. You understand?
So then job forensic.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I select job forensic
Okay.
at Gmail.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. And now job forensic, sign to jobforensic@gmail.com.
So I
Continue.
continue.
Yes.
I want to put it in my notes.
Yeah.
No data here.
Okay, because you haven't done anything. That's good. So you're in
Right.
job forensic. So you want to make sure that you may want to switch to that account too
I don't think it
on your road.
matters.
Okay, fine. But I think it's good because you may get something from Vapi to Google to verify.
Right.
It was a good idea.
I'll open another instance
Another instance or another tab,
and
Right.
try to log into job forensic.
which is right there. It's the fourth one down. Now go to your Gmail.
Now I'll go to my Gmail.
Yeah.
And it's empty, as you can see.
The primary tab is empty. Okay.
So now we can revert back to
Vapi. Okay.
Vapi. I want to create phone numbers.
Okay, well, don't you have to first before you create a phone number, you have to create an assistant, don't you?
Whatever you like, you're the instructor.
Okay, so let's go to assistants.
Okay, assistants.
Okay, and in the assistants here, let's go through this. The model, this is the section allows you to configure your model for the assistant. Hello, this is Mary Dental. Okay, here's, this is Mary. Change, this is going from OpenAI. Are you a voice assistant? This is, they asked for the full name. So how can you change Mary right here for the model?
Don't bother changing anything that is not essential. Keep married, things don't matter.
It does, but it's gonna be Mary the dental, not the voice.
So we'll have one married the dental.
Okay, fine. So now,
So I want to publish the default to keep the changes to a minimum and do it the fastest possible way. And later, all of that can be done again.
okay,
Okay, so now I want to publish
you can publish,
Mary the assistant.
Mary the dental.
And then
So publish. What are you doing?
hello, this is Mary from the Mary Dental. How can I assist you today?
Mhm.
So you want to change it? Let's do what you want. So what do
No, you
want to
said that you
change?
didn't, I want to change the model. I don't want it to be
Fine.
married.
So which model do you want?
I have to find out if I can choose another model there. Well, you know what, maybe
Yes,
from
you
the
can
phone.
choose any model. Pull down the OpenAI.
No, that's not where I do it.
No, underneath the model. So pull down the menu of the model.
No, that's
And
the
you'll be able
cheapest,
to
that's the
change.
cheapest. That's good. No, that's not the way. The knowledge base, the temperature, can you go down? I think this is not where you change it. The transcriber, the functions. Go to, what, please, I'm trying to,
Let me refresh this out while you are thinking, okay?
no, I have to check it.
Check whatever you want.
Do a demo. Okay, it's fine. I'll do my own demo when it comes to it. Save. What are you doing?
Vapi, model selection.
No, that's not what I want to do. I want to do telephone number, I think. I think that's where it comes up. Save. The dental comes up as a default. Okay. Let's try this. Paste, okay. So let's do this now. Let's go to create phone numbers on the left. On the left panel, let's go to phone numbers and move the loom so we can see what everything is stated there. Can we go to the,
For the
Can you
phone
bring-
numbers,
no, I want you to bring in the phone numbers on the left-hand side.
I want to open all the area codes, a spreadsheet with all the area codes to
Okay.
show
Mhm.
what are good and
Mhm.
models.
Okay.
So here is XLS vanity phone names and numbers.
Mhm.
And here, for example, I want to get a phone number from the 737 area code
Rep,
because it spells the word rep,
okay, that's good.
or tax 829,
I don't like
or
tech.
tech
Tech is good.
83.
I like tech or rep. I don't like tax. You have to be too specific. You have to be a tax person to get it. Tip is not bad.
Okay.
But I like tip too because it gives you can give tips out.
Okay, so let's start from tip then.
Either tip, tech, or rep. I like.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
Also, SEC is good.
Second's not bad.
SEC for security or SEC.
Security, yeah.
So I select phone number.
Okay, create a phone number. Assistants are able to connect. Can I first read, please?
Yes.
Phone numbers. Assistants are able to be connected to phone numbers for calls. You can import from Twilio, Vonage, or create a free number directly from Vapi for use with your assistants. Create phone number. Do you remember what area code you want to use?
Yes.
Which one?
SEC.
Tell me. No, but SEC you wanted? I thought you wanted tips. You want SEC? Okay, you can do SEC. Fine. SEC is 732. Okay.
To memorize it.
Okay, 732. Okay, so create number.
No, I like tip actually.
You like what?
Tip.
Why do you like tip?
Because I like to show when it is not available to show how they say
Okay.
that it's not available.
Okay, fine. 847.
So create phone number,
Yeah,
put the area code,
right, which is
which is 847.
847. So type in,
847.
and then type in create.
Typing create.
So it gave you a number.
Yes, which is not good because it doesn't have has 1 0 in the middle.
Okay, so you can delete it. See on the right side there,
And
before
let
activating
me
it,
just open another browser,
or what?
demonstrate to see what it means. So here is an example of
We don't have time. I want to do it before it activates
we
to
have
delete
plenty
it.
of time and it doesn't matter anyway. Whatever you do, it doesn't matter. So I want to copy the number. I know tip, so I don't need to translate it, but the rest of it I want to copy and paste it into the notes here.
Yeah, that's very good. That's important.
Okay.
Do we see
Then spell now.
what was the name of this URL that you got here to check it out?
Phone number includes at least 0 or 1. If you look at the dial pad, 40, put 1, 2. No, it's not well.
No.
So they got when they get an exchange with 0 in it, you want to delete it, take another exchange instead.
Delete the number, yeah.
And then open the spreadsheet again and take another one. Let's see what USA, we know we have a lot of them.
Yeah, so let's use
Vid is good also.
for video. Voc is not bad.
Voc is not bad, yes. Like for voice. Vocal. So let's add Voc.
Which is
2. So 862. Create. Oh, that is also has 0 in
It
it.
seems like they give you zeros on purpose.
Not on purpose, they just buy the lower number. So that is not good.
So you
So
want to
we need that. So we tried Voc and put in a V, meaning that it works, but we didn't like it.
Okay. That's a C you put in.
V.
Okay.
And tip.
Tip you try. Now, if you try again, do you get a different number?
No, it is the exchange has 0, so you don't want to try it again.
Oh, you don't?
No.
You think you'll put
Let's
in
try video.
vid 843.
Yes. You want to find an exchange that doesn't have currently 0.
843.
That is not available.
Right. Currently try one.
So
Okay.
SPY is good.
Where's SPY? 779. Okay, perfect.
So now,
Okay.
around the video, you want to put an X, which means it is not
currently available.
Currently not available at all.
And then they
go to SPY and see what's in SPY.
779.
779.
Why don't you show the spreadsheet where it says 779?
Okay, I want to go to 779, 78. 779 is not available. This is not all. We have 7, 6, and then it jumps to 8.
Why don't you have 779?
It doesn't list all of them. Some of them are missing.
Okay. So it'll be good that you put then 779 so people will know what it stands for if you don't have it.
779. Okay.
So put that in.
79 will fit in here. After 6, after this one, insert 779, and the word is SPY.
Yeah.
Okay. And you want to have area code that have they are spelling a full word like text or tip,
right,
rather than just an abbreviation if you can help it.
Right.
So we type 779 and create.
And you got S02. You got a bunch of zeros.
20. You might want to copy the number and just put it in the notes.
You want to put it in the spreadsheet?
Yes. So where's 779?
Right there. You were just there. 4 up. You were just there. You see under SPY? It says SPY.
7.
Go down. SPY. 779. 115, line 115.
In here.
What did you do?
Trying to paste it. Paste special, I guess I have to go.
You just want to,
Paste special text. No. Guess it didn't copy it properly. Copy.
it's not,
Um, Paste special text. Okay. Doesn't copy.
no, you want Unicode maybe.
Let me see on a notepad whether it will work.
Do Control V.
Because it has some characters in it, yes, that's the problem. You
You just,
understand?
copy that and paste it.
So we have to share with
No pasting it. Oh, I think you have a problem with the Excel spreadsheet.
all the sense version.
It's not letting you have to sign in.
No, I have to
You have to make it with your spreadsheet.
sign in. They don't let you
Right, you have to sign in.
sign in on one hour.
It's all right. Let's leave it for right now, okay? Let's not worry about it. You put it in your notepad.
Worry about it because this is the key to success. We want to open the spreadsheet that is the previous version of the spreadsheet and not this version.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Well, what
They
was
also Microsoft, they want to force you into,
okay, so open the previous one, no?
yeah,
Can't you do file open?
yeah.
Just go to file.
Sell. Sell up. Very good.
What are you doing?
Blank
Okay.
spreadsheet. Oh, use this one, okay.
Looks like it's the same one. Looks like your credentials are out of date.
The same one.
Yeah, it says sign into office. The credentials are out of date.
Close the two then.
I can send.
You want to sign in?
Not really, but I will if you want. If
Yeah,
you
it's
if
important to share the data, to
Sign
find what
in.
is a good exchange, you
well, then I
understand?
have to get my phone out
You
too.
should use Google actually, and stop using this
Right,
Microsoft.
you can just use Google Slides, Google
Spreadsheet.
Google Sheets.
Yeah.
You really don't need this. You know what I mean?
Oh,
What do you do?
there is a blank line. Let's see.
See if you can paste there. Just paste.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
fine.
see,
Okay,
so that works. Loop
Okay.
one.
okay. So just use it for that too.
Yeah, but I have to copy all the stuff from the old one, understand? Hopefully they will let me copy.
May not. So put it, what are you doing? Put in the corner that no, not that one. Just put
Let me handle it, okay, please.
better to do the one to the left, that upper right hand corner, it'll copy the whole sheet.
Um,
You understand? And copy. Okay. Got it?
yeah.
And then go to 776 and that spy and see if you can record that one phone number.
So, this is important to explain different versions. You understand that?
But let's just
There are two different Tom Tommy, no garbage. There are two different versions. One is the Excel 365 and one is the Excel previous Excel. So now I'm looking for
spy 77.
7,
Here, there it is. 779 spy.
779 spy.
Right. But you need to copy it in your spreadsheet, that number. It's in your notepad.
Now I want to delete it because I don't like it. Spy here.
Delete.
No, here. paste. Also doesn't copy because it has characters, special characters in it. So
Copy it from your notepad. You
yeah.
put it in your notepad already.
What?
So I told you copy it from there. You highlighted it now, edit the copy.
Copy.
All right, now go to SPY 779.
5779.
Go to 115.
D
115.
115.
Right there. Yeah.
Once you infected it, yes,
Yeah.
I
But you
drag
put
it
it
down.
you put it in the wrong place.
On purpose because I have the invisible characters create a problem.
Okay,
So
it's in
the wonder market is a bad one with the green means that it is, or red,
red, not green.
orange means it is too many zeros in it.
Okay.
And then I want to overwrite this with the old one. So I'm going to save this. Copy. File. Save it all. Browse, and I'll insert the one in front of the file name. Paste. So I know that this is version 1. Do you hear me?
Yeah, it's under documents area.
Between version 1 and the original.
This you were able to edit.
Yes, copy. This you don't have authenticate yourself.
Okay, fine.
And then I will overwrite the name here too. Paste. So we know that this is the current name.
Okay. And save it.
Maybe.
Okay.
And delete it.
All right. Does it delete?
Yes. No, I don't like it.
All right.
So
Citizens are able to connect to the phone. Okay, you want to, so what other area code do you want to do? You want to do tech?
thing that they said tech is, yeah. No, I want to see.
What did they say? They
Oh,
said,
rep I wanted to do.
they said something was available. Oh, that was a 0 that you got.
Rep or mob.
I like rep.
I like rep or pop.
I like rep.
Rep, I like rep too.
737.
Rep, fine.
737.
7, 3,
3, 7.
7,
Create.
3,
No.
okay.
So it looks like 857. What's 857?
6, 5, 7 is good also.
657.
So
Can you go up a little bit?
rep and mark that it's X.
X.
Not available.
Now.
Not available now, that's all.
And what about
Run? Let me see if run is available.
I bet it's not available. They say 857 is available or 657.
I don't like the first one because it has zeros in it.
Okay.
I like 657 because it's okay on machine learning.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find it. So I want to put 657.
Okay.
MLS, also multiple listings.
Yeah. 657.
6,
5, 7. Okay. Create.
Create.
Okay.
Also zeros in
Yeah.
it.
It's almost everything they're giving zeros.
We're giving you a 0. Let's see if I can find it. 6, 5, 7, 6, 8.
Go up.
6, 5.
Stop. 6, 5, 5.
3, 4, no 6, 5.
No, you don't have 657.
So let's put the number here for now.
It's before mob.
It doesn't work. So make 657, right?
Yeah, insert.
Before now.
Insert.
I cannot insert, right?
I
Insert
don't know. See? Yeah. 657.
657. I want to
Then it's
delete it from here.
Yeah.
657.
mhm.
is 657 years. I
What
have
does
to
it spell?
paste first in my notepad
Right,
because they have no special character.
right.
Paste.
Paste, takes it out.
Now copy it with all the characters.
Right.
Also, I don't need the spaces in between.
Right.
It makes equal kind of non-displayable characters.
Okay.
And then dash and delete. File save. 657.
Right.
Paste
Paste.
and copy.
This page, you don't want to paste, paste, paste. Try Control V.
Special text. Okay.
No, try Control V.
Maybe I didn't copy it right. Just bear with me, please.
You copied it.
It's not clear. Edit.
You did. Copy.
Try to paste it right away. Edit.
Paste.
Paste.
Yeah.
Then keep it visible. Paste.
Mhm.
Paste. Okay. Doesn't work.
Try Control V. I said try Control V.
Paste above. Doesn't work.
I didn't say that. I
Try
said
Control
Control
V.
V. 3 times, I told you.
Didn't work either. Just type it in and that's
Yeah.
it. 657.
And you didn't get,
657.
no, right. You're in that situation where it's nothing's coming out. It's like,
5,
yeah,
7, 464.
464 278 2709.
709.
Now copy it.
This is why we have to use Google Sheets.
Yeah.
And the meaning of it is OK or machine learning, MLS.
Okay.
And it's, we checked it and it's B.
B. Okay.
Okay, same. Sharing a spreadsheet with me. And let's try a phone number and another one.
Which
We'll
area?
try mom. We'll see if that works.
MO.
Mom is 662. 662.
Okay. That's Mon? It's not Mon. Not available.
875 was UKS. Do you want to try that?
Well, it looks like I don't want
Yes or
to.
no?
Yes, try that and let's finish up. All I wanted to do is create a number, and this is
No, I want to show that this is a major problem. Oh, job was good. Let's see if job is available.
562.
It cannot be job. 562.
Create.
Yeah,
No,
not currently available.
I think at this point, this is all they're going to give you, 857.
Kid is not bad.
I think
548.
that's a great one. But anyways, try. What's the number?
548.
No. I think you're now at the time where anything you put in on, unless they see that you're trying it a number of times,
USA, I know. USA will be
it
available.
used to work.
It used to work fine.
I bet you it doesn't
Did I
work.
try SEC already?
No,
732.
no.
732. Real.
They can-
1
Okay,
7
732. 111. Sometimes 11 is not so bad.
Why?
It's like we're number 1, you know,
10.
not really, but
Not good.
okay, what do you want now?
I tried stick now and again.
Try, At least it has some numbers there.
I have to go to Notepad first.
Do what?
Paste it, okay. Paste. Then copy to the clipboard buffer, edit, copy. Then go back to save and see if paste special text. Yeah, it should work.
Save it. Okay. Did you put an X there? Did you don't like it, or
Yes, I'm going
you
to
didn't put anything on that column?
X.
You want an X? No, you don't want an X because X means that it doesn't work at all.
V, excuse me.
V.
V, I don't like.
You want to delete that number?
Yes.
So delete it. Okay.
You want to try USA again? No, I want to try something different.
Vid,
We didn't work with right way. Let's see if way works.
What about Vid? Did we try Vid 843?
Great way. What is way?
Way is 929.
929. 929.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Hint 609-857-7979.
X, right? Not available.
Yeah. Not at all. Today.
Let's try bit.
How about Wiz?
Wiz.
I like Wiz.
Yeah, Wiz.
94. Yeah,
Okay.
but it's a 0.
That's 920.
And a 1. A 1 and a 0.
Okay. Sad,
Rad.
bad, rad. Let's see if diet works.
Yeah.
Diet ABC.
ABC. Sometimes it's works, sometimes it doesn't.
No, it
Right,
doesn't.
no. So,
No.
okay, so what do you want to do?
I copied it. I will say that I don't want. It's not good. This is the key. This is why it's important when you do it together with the whole, and you edit the spreadsheet together, the whole class.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because otherwise it's such a huge hassle and it doesn't work.
At least you tried it.
Copy. Edit. Copy. Special text. Okay. And the V, right? I don't like it. Right, V.
V, not X. It worked, but you don't like the number. Okay.
Yes. What else do we have here? Yes.
Yes. Yes, it's good. So you want to delete that?
Yes.
And now create and try yes, which is 937.
3, 7.
Create.
Yeah.
No. So put X.
Another one is Zen.
Who?
Zen.
You don't have it listed.
Let's see what else I have listed here. You're saying. Let's try that. Maybe that's all right. U, F, N, okay, finally.
We got something.
Got a good one.
Yeah.
Now we can take it.
Good.
Put it in there.
Yeah.
Copy.
You want to put the program? See what it spells?
Yes. Okay. You want to look around. Gift is good for gift.
Gig is good.
Gig is good. For USA gig.
3TA2.
So gig is finished. We got gig, so we can delete the first four.
Gig is good. Spell that.
3822. Dub AI. Dub is not bad. It's copy, etc. Tab. Vac. AB.
ETA.
Dub. Dub AI. That is good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not so bad.
So that's
Tab 2, maybe.
tab.
3
Read
tab.
No, tab. Dub is copying.
Mm,
Okay. So I go to my notepad.
yeah.
My notepad again.
Yeah, let's finish that one. So we finished the
7-2. Control V.
and then put which one is it?
USA.
This is USA. Gig.
USA.
Gig.
Gig.
Dub.
Dub.
AI
AI.
with overspell.
Yes.
And put over after it.
That is. Okay, don't lie. Spell. And this is not so good also.
No,
It
it's
can
not
be
good.
or duka
No, it's not good.
or dub or two B's.
No, it's not good. You know what I mean?
It's not bad, but you have to find a better
Better.
software
Yeah,
than
to
this
get it.
one.
Yeah. But maybe let's finish up since we spent over an hour and a half.
Spell my phone number.
Okay.
Then,
Phone number. The gig is good.
yeah, gig is great.
Hyena. Sometimes you gotta be careful because these are good for, these are good for to get viruses. Do you know what I mean?
Doesn't work. Try to do it in the phone. Gig dub too old.
You got the same thing. Gig dub too. Gig ETA. ETA they use.
What is ETA?
I think expected time of arrival.
Dub too. Seems to be
Okay, do you want to?
just like real words.
Right.
Better than.
Well, we can just show how you then put an
Have to use
assistant.
a Google spreadsheet.
Yeah, that'll be next time.
Yeah.
Okay, I think let's just finish up so we publish this, I think. Okay, save that spreadsheet. Just make sure that spreadsheet is saved. Do file save, just so you know it's, and then make sure that you know it's on job forensic. Does it say job forensic somewhere here?
Well, we did USA, right?
Right, USA we did. But we have a different number, yeah. What are you doing? USA, what are you doing now? It's not the right, it's not VOD.
872.
It's in the wrong place. So you
Yeah,
wanna-
but insert the line. That's
Yeah.
not the problem. The line.
Doesn't insert. You know, it changed VOD to 872. That VOD, change it to USA 7, USA again. Another USA. Or put it under the first one.
Why doesn't it let me
I don't know.
insert the
I don't know.
This is what they do to you, Microsoft. This is why we have to drop them.
Okay,
Not
fine.
good. Plus, they raise hell so much.
Okay. Just write over the VOA to USA and then put 872 there.
So,
It says you have to, looks like you're still connecting out of date. You have to sign in, unless you just sign in and we'll just sign in. That's it. You know what I mean? You want to sign in?
no,
You want?
they don't want to encourage them. They
Yeah. Mhm.
have this, you know.
Okay, can you just put it under party in the USA? Oh, that's my Cyrus.
Okay, never mind.
Never mind, let's go. Okay, let's finish it up.
Please stop.
Okay, we have to create an assistant to it. That's the key. Okay,
Now
you
it
see-
would be this, okay? Select an assistant.
right, that's what you have to do. You see where it says in the middle, select an assistant.
Name would be USA Gig Gov AI.
Right, and it's
fine.
and you want to make sure that you know it's in job forensic.
Yes.
That's key. You understand? Because it means nothing if you don't know where it's attached. Forensic. You know, and that goes well with a gig.
Yes.
You understand?
AI.
Mm.
Okay, so what's the next
You
step?
see where it says under the phone number, it says select assistant.
Yes.
This is what you need to do.
Okay, so what assistant do you like? Mary's Dental?
Do we have anything else besides Mary?
No, because you refused to.
I didn't
change the
refuse
model.
anything. We can go back to assistants and you can pick an assistant. You said you wanted to do Mary's Dental. I didn't want to do Mary's Dental. You said you wanted Mary's
But
Dental.
it matters what you want. It's your class, not mine.
I don't want to do Mary's Dental.
So why don't we go back and change to whatever you like?
So don't go back anywhere. So go to assistants. On
Go
the,
to assistants, okay?
okay, and then we got to find where you can change the different assistants. So model the selection, configure. So what is under advanced? I forgot what's under advanced. Go to advanced on the top there. No, on the top,
The top?
the row where you see where publish is, you see the yeah, on your left. On that,
Advanced here.
let me see what advanced says. HIPAA compliance, that's not it. Functions. Go to model, click model. Let's see what happens when I click model.
Model.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Before you use another model.
I think you,
Then it came automatically with Leo. You use the cheapest one.
I use the cheapest one.
What was the cheapest? This one.
Right, that's what I have already. The
Try
cheap.
this and it will come up with a different model.
It didn't come out with Mary. How do you change models? Oh, go to the I with the circle. You see where it says first message? In a circle, it has an I. You see where it says this is
First message, the system
okay.
also via URL, containerized audio file, MP3 wave, etc.
How do you change models? How do you change, not models, but how do you change? There were 4 things that you could choose.
Time to do it was at the beginning.
No, I don't think so.
No?
Look under, or you can still do it. Look under what is tools? Go to tools. on the left-hand side, on the very left.
On the left-hand side.
Yeah, these tools there.
Oh,
Work. No, blocks, squads. Go to assistants, go back to assistants. Mary's Dental, see here, and this is it, maybe here, assistant IT. This is Mary's Dental appointment scheduler. Can you move a little bit of that? Can you move this? Create an assistant, maybe here. Yeah, that's it. See that?
Create an
Assistant, yeah. That's
What assistant do you want?
I don't see the assistant. That's what you need. The first thing you need to do is on the upper left-hand corner, you see where it says create an assistant? Where I clicked on?
No.
What? No?
Assistant, I see. I saw assistant, but then you took over. Please don't scream to me.
You see the word create an
Yes,
assistant.
yes.
This is what you have to click.
Okay, fine.
And then it gives you a choice, a form.
That creates an assistant.
And by default, it gives you Mary. It gives you the dental appointment.
This is what we have to do at the beginning.
Right. Create an assistant
Create an assistant.
in the upper left-hand corner.
Create assistant.
Right. Upper left-hand corner. Put upper left-hand corner. Because there's so many ones here.
Okay, so what's next?
What do you mean? After you create assistant,
Which assistant do you want?
I want either customer support or inbound. So
Okay,
I-
NPC.
no, I don't want that. I want
Q&A.
we did customer support.
So which one do you like now?
Customer support.
Okay, I select customer support.
Okay.
And then,
There should be a way that you can. You click it, there should be a way.
yeah, mark it like this and plus
But
or what?
I don't know. there has to be a way in which you move a little bit so I can see. There has to be a way in which you can make that. This can be adjusted up. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So it seems like the problem was, like you said, this is Ava. This can be adjusted income after creation. We did customer. And then create an assistant right here. You see that?
See, now it's appeared outside of the screen.
Create. No, you're outside the screen. You have other parts.
Okay, so now create an assistant.
Create an assistant above and then create an assistant
Select an-
below.
Yes. And now we got Ava.
Now, that's Ava. I don't care what we got, but
Okay,
it's
fine. So
now
now,
publish.
now publish.
And now what I would do is I would go to phone numbers just to make sure it's published. Right? Is there a publish here? It says it's checked. Okay. So now what I would do is I would take a number of phone.
Okay, now you know that this is a good series. There's no ones in it.
Yeah,
So
right.
let's take some more of them.
No, let's finish up. It's already been an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Create the phone number, area code 872, like you were saying,
You want to take another one? Okay, take another one.
to 3. So you see now this is good because this is
This no zeros or ones.
right. And this
Okay.
will be
Gig, and it's good 444, which is good. So what does 3823 spell?
give.
Because you had one already. Put it. And then search. Click search.
Do
Dub again.
Dulce. What is Deuce?
Deuce is like when you have two of something.
Okay, two. Bob.
ETA, 3.
Deuce is the best.
Deuce.
Deuce, 2 gigs.
Hmm. Okay, you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And the other one will be 2.4. We can already anticipate.
So put a 4 there and see what you get.
Let's first copy Deuce. Copy and put it in my notepad. The meantime, it is the same as before.
Right.
Gig, I love gig.
I like gig and it fits with job.
Yeah, Deuce. Okay. Right, so the next one will be
4,
4.
maybe. We'll
Oh,
see.
4 is good, is AI. That is perfect. Wow.
Well,
Do AI.
let's see.
Let's take it before it's gone.
Okay.
Wow.
So it activated.
Phone
You got
number,
okay.
phone number.
Create
again.
phone number. Where are you going?
Create phone number. Where is it?
It's in the second. It's right there.
Create phone number.
Create
Create.
872, right?
Okay, great. We got
Okay,
it.
so got it.
Do AI. That's the best.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. Let's assign assistance to them.
Yes, edit, paste. So this will be USA gig.
Right.
Do AI. Do dot AI.
What
No,
is do for?
do like do you, how do you do? Do, but
Do is do.
I know, but it's misspelled. Do AI, which is good, it's unique. No overspell.
Okay.
No overspell.
Spell. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now you want to assign you have to
2.5 is no good, and 2.6 is not bad because it will be, but do is really not so great.
no, it isn't.
It should be a proper spell, but it is better than the
Okay,
others.
great, but we've made now we know we have to create an assistant. You understand?
Say,
Okay.
let me check tax. We didn't check tax.
TAX?
Yes.
Okay. So 829.
So
Well, first let it finish creating. First finish letting it activate.
oh, it is by
No,
default.
no, finish. It takes 5 seconds. Why
Oh,
mess it up?
okay, fine.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because it'll be in the middle. This is a beta version. You
Fine,
understand?
activate, fine.
Activating.
Yeah.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we assign a special assistant to it before you go to another one?
Okay, so what
Right
would you
here
like
in
to
the middle.
assistant you want? What
No,
is-
right there.
Here?
So yeah, you see where assistant, select assistant? Right in the
Yes,
third
here.
column, select
Okay.
an assistant, and you should now see Ava.
Ava, fine.
So click on Ava. Okay, that's all.
Okay.
That's the main thing. And then where do you do? Now you can, and number 2, you didn't put anybody.
What do you want now? Number 2?
Create another phone number, and then we can do them together.
Okay, tax. Tax is 829.
Okay. No.
So tax is out also.
So exit. Put an X in front of in column A.
Oh, wow, this is terrible. It's Microsoft tax.
I saw the text. You just had it in the beginning. It's up above. You just had it. And then you get to column, you want A. You,
You don't think that they were-
no, you don't have, here, you need to do this.
Just stop it.
Here,
please.
just here, you want to make it so you can see the other column.
What did you do now?
I didn't, do-
Still on the whole thing.
you made it too small, that's all.
I guess I'll make it larger. Okay, I can see already. Okay, let me do it. Right, let me do that already. That's the whole thing. Now she's happy. I cut the whole thing.
There it is. Yeah.
It's 1%.
Just do X and you bring it back in, I guess.
Let's not save it anymore.
Yeah, just don't save it, that's all. What's 862?
It's bought. It didn't work. We tried
But
it.
it says now 860. Oh, it didn't work or we just didn't like the numbers.
862 now is available.
Yeah.
So let's try 862.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's ones.
yeah,
Yeah.
we didn't like it.
We didn't like it. So delete. Okay, now let's just do this.
Oh, it's file
What?
open again.
Okay,
File.
just click on it again. Okay, it's so small. Oh, I think this is it. It's 10%. This is the problem. You see here, 10%, you need to make this 100. Just move the cursor. You see, now just make the cursor. Is it 70? Make it 100. Okay, now go to the beginning of the sheet. Let's go to the beginning of the sheet and go to column A. Move your right cursor. See here?
Oh, it's gone.
No, it isn't. It's column S. You want to go to column A.
Okay. Fine.
It's just it got small, that's all.
So then we wanted to
What did you want to do?
write notes. I wanted to delete this one. And
Yeah,
this
make
one
that-
was bold.
Yeah,
Was red. Well,
but 382 is good.
usually intelligent and they do such a lousy job with a simple
Yeah,
algorithm.
okay.
Okay, vote was V. Already we have done it. It was no good.
Yeah. You want to save it or?
So
862 is just the numbers. These are good. 872s work. Let's save it. It's already 3 o'clock.
what do I think? Check. Did we try 832?
Yes, we are. Oh,
832.
832. What is 832? What does 832 spell?
Technology.
Oh, I thought it wasn't available or there were ones. You want to try again?
I think that we tried it and there were
Wait.
ones.
There were ones.
Yes.
Yeah, we tried it before.
Okay. Run.
They don't have it.
We tried it also.
Yeah.
It was not available.
It's not available. That's all.
Pop. Rap was not available.
No.
Pop is not so good.
No.
Pod.
Pod
Like
is
pod
not-
counts.
Honestly, maybe not so bad.
No.
I'm not so crazy over it, but do you want to assign numbers first, assistance?
C. O. D. 5.
763.
Really
No,
not available. The pod is out.
so put an X.
X.
PJ.
Not bad.
Pop.
Yeah. Like popular.
Oh, it's maybe 767. No. Mm-mm. That's not available. Right. Free.
Free, you like free?
I don't know.
Can try that.
Depends on what's with it. You know what I mean?
Free, yeah.
No. Put an X.
Free, yeah.
98.
MLS was mob. What was wrong with mob?
Let's try it.
We didn't try mob.
I'm not sure. Or did we just get ones maybe or zeros? Did it even come up?
I think that it wasn't good.
Okay.
We tried it. We didn't like it.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Men.
Man is good.
Men or man?
6.
There's 626 and 636.
6-2 and stuff. 3-2. Man, this is plural, right?
That's singular.
Singular. Okay, great. Let's see this one.
No.
No.
Try it with a 3.
Man.
And then there's men too. Make an X.
Try 2. And didn't work.
Mm.
Now I'll try 3.
Mm.
Oh.
No, but you can type it.
6, 3, 6.
Create. No.
No.
Put an X there too. Men, put an X. Put an X in
3,
line 78.
78.
Line 78. Make an X. Min, M-I-N. Like in a minute.
Where is it?
79.
79.
What do you think? 79, right underneath the men. You like men or no? Like minimum?
Yeah. Cool. Not available.
Okay. So X.
No. On.
What about now? 669.
Really.
What?
Where's min anyway?
Min is right underneath
Oh, here.
79.
X.
X. Try now. 669. I don't think you're gonna get it.
6, 9, 6, 6, 9.
Put X
6,
69.
6, 9.
Right. Line 87. Line 87. 80 X.
Below.
What?
1. 1 circle.
386.
3, 8, 6, 3, 8, 6, 3.
No. Put an X. Okay.
Okay.
And did we try 562?
What is 5?
Oh, no, we have an X there.
Job, we'll try it. Florida.
FLA?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
352.
3, 5, 2, 3, 8.
No.
Put X.
Yeah.
Koi. Or Q.
Q.
Or
How about
buy.
buy? Buy is,
And bug.
yeah. Buy is good.
And bot.
And bot is the best.
Is what we want to do.
268 is the best. If you could get it. No. So put an X for BOT.
Then buy. 284.
284. Bug is good too. No. And then what? The other one, let's just try one more and then we'll.
Bro is good too.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Bro is like brother.
Yeah, they all say that. Hey, bro.
Right?
Yeah.
So
Zeg,
bro is-
como geweer?
yeah.
Good.
Bro,
276. Okay. No. Okay, let's finish up. It's enough. Okay.
Sure, please. The spreadsheet is the problem. If also if you're going to Google, is either buy is very good too.
Yeah, buy would be great. D8 289. I bet it's not available. You didn't press create.
The maximum number of free phone numbers.
Okay, you have reached. Okay, you tried it too many times. Okay. You can't try so many times either.
So, you know now. Right?
Okay, so now can't.
So cancel. Okay.
Okay, fine. The only thing you need to do is select the assistant. The last one, you see that 3822?
3822.
Right, in the middle, it says assistant. You have to select assistant for that number to work.
Okay.
Just do Ava.
Ava.
Yeah, because she's general. Okay. All right. And then the other one, try 3823. The middle one?
This one.
Yeah. Also assign an agent. Assistant. Yeah. That needs to be done.
Ava.
Ava. Yeah.
What
Okay.
is the difference between the two Avas?
Well, we just did it twice, that's all. We created the
The first one Ava too.
No, I think, yeah, they're all Avas. You see, they're all assigned.
Okay.
Now what you can do is you can call one of those numbers to see if it
The one I
works.
really like the best is this one.
So call it. You want me to get the phone? I'll call it from the Google Voice.
Or from here.
Yeah, call it from Job Forensic. You have a number attached to Job Forensic? So call it.
So
need
I'm
some
gonna go to my
shoes.
notepad.
Okay. So we got
This is
something
the
done.
one we want.
Right.
So now we copy to the clipboard buffer. Do AI. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Then go to forensic. Go to voice. Repeat what I said.
Go to voice.
Go to voice. Enter the number.
You have it? Paste.
Import.
Oh, let's see. Should be Ava. And oh, make your speaker up. I'll put my speaker down.
Ava, hear me?
How can I help you today?
Real quick.
Tell me about the vanity number that's USA gig dude DUCE dude like a deuce in a sock.
I see. You might be guessing at the idea of a vehicle identification number, VIN, that contains specific sequences or patterns. However, VINs are typically 17 characters long and consist of a combination of letters and numbers that are uniquely identify a vehicle. If you're looking for a specific or particular context in mind, could you please clarify?
Yeah, deuce.
No, you want to convert numbers.
Deuce is like a deuce in math. Means that it is nobody wins.
It sounds like you're talking about a situation in a soccer match where the outcome is a draw.
That's
Draw.
right. The outcome is a draw. Thank you very much. That's exactly it.
No, but that's not what deuce means.
Draw. Doesn't matter what.
Okay.
You're welcome. I'm glad I can clarify that for you.
So what does it mean? USA gig draw.
The phrase USA gig draw might be referring to a situation where the United States national soccer team played a match that ended in a tie or draw. In soccer, a draw is for a number of goals, resulting in one win.
What does deuce mean in tennis?
It seems like
What does the word deuce mean in Spanish?
In tennis.
In tennis?
in Finnish, the word translates equal. In tennis, it refers to a score of 40-40-40, where both players have equal points. To score the a player must win 2 consecutive points in the game. If you have more questions about tennis or anything else, feel free to ask.
Yeah, the word deuce is an Italian title derived from Latin word dux, leader, and conjugate of deuce,
Cognate. Deuce.
National Fascist Party leader Benito Mussolini. This is a leader.
It sounds like there's definitely etymology for the word deuce. In
Yes.
the term indeed has roots in Latin, and it is related to the concept of deuce. If you need more information.
Okay, let's stop. We have enough time
Okay,
here.
thank you very much.
Stop.
Goodbye for now.
You're
Let's finish up.
So that you can see it here listed. We got also the meaning of the word deuce. Which I don't know what it is.
Do say. Okay,
You know what other meanings does it have?
no.
Deuce definition.
Here's Merriam
Especially
Dictionary.
for the leader of Italian
Fascist Party. It's not real good. Yeah. Mussolini was called in slang.
In American English, a person who rules, guides, inspires others. That is great.
Okay, fine. Okay,
So that's good.
okay,
That's a great name.
okay, fine. Okay, so I'm gonna finish. We've created that. Can you go back to your Vapi?
My notes.
Can you go back to Vapi and make sure you've assigned each of the numbers an assistant?
Yeah, let's
Okay,
also
so
check one other thing. What does the word do mean?
DU,
Yeah,
put it in Google. Meaning of DU,
do mean.
yeah. I mean, multiple prefix, an abbreviation, term in mobile communications.
Oh, do.
It appears in words like do, it just says it appears in, here, the dictionary definition, do meaning, you see that?
Yeah.
Click on that.
Control. This.
Yeah, click on it. A contraction. It's a French derivation.
American English and British English.
No, we want American English. Merriam Dictionary.
Do.
So click on do definition of meaning in the dictionary, the first one. It's an abbreviation.
With the University of Denver, U.
Yeah. Mm. It's the prefix means two, like duplex,
Oh,
but in Latin, it's a prefix. Deplete or abbreviation, depleted uranium. That's it. And it's
It means two.
right as a prefix in Latin.
Yeah, like duplex
Dual,
or duo.
duo. You
Yeah,
understand? But it's a prefix.
yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm
Let's-
going to, you can put it in. I'm going to close off. Can you stop sharing?
Do, where's do? Do AI.
Yeah, it's right below.
Do AI.
No, that says dub. Your cursor is with dub.
It was something about do.
Yeah. 2 lines down.
Do AI.
Right. USA. Gig, do, AI. No oversell.
Gig two,
Two-
for the two of us, for example.
Right. 2 jobs.
Yeah, 2 gigs.
No, it's double. It doesn't mean 2. But
What
that
does
way
it
too.
mean?
It means like if you're gonna do like duo, dual
Oh, this is all-
twice.
all right.
Okay. I'm going to, can you stop sharing? So, log, can you stop sharing? Can you stop sharing?
Okay. Okay.
Stop sharing.
Patience, you have.
Okay. All right, so what did we learn today? We learned it's not so easy to get the numbers, vanity numbers. It also shows when you try a number of different versions for that account, Vapi says you only have 10 tries. So you have to keep that in mind. But we did get some. And what else did we learn? We learned that you have to create an assistant, or else you will get, by default, you will get the Mary's Dental. I like the customer support or inbound calls because it's much more generic. Then you can add document for your own business. And also you can edit the prompts. We left it as default, but we did change to customer support. And you have to, once you create that assistant of customer support, for after you create a phone number, you need to attach your assistant to that phone number. By default, you get Mary's Dental. If you created another assistant for customer support, by default, that person is called Ava. But if you want to change the voice, we could go in next time and show you how to change the voice to another one.
Explain also the vanity phone.
And if you look at my basically headband here, you see that this is what we're talking about. We have 305 on trial biz. Notice the 6 is the letter O. The other 6 is letter N. Trial, the T is an 8. The R is a 7. The I is a 4. The A is a digit 2. And the L is a 5. What I like about that, it is not an what we call an overspell. Sometimes if you have another letter there, more than the 7 digits of the phone number, and then it's 10 digits with the area code. If you have an extra digit, you will have a problem dialing. It's called overspell in a mobile phone. In some other phones, you will not have that problem. You can put in extra numbers. So for instance,
For example, here we have an example from today.
So for instance, like 1-800-mattresses, there used to be a jingle. They said there's 2 S's, so drop the last S. But now you have to share your screen. People don't see your screen. You have to share your screen again if you want to show that.
Oh, you can just talk about it. You want me to share the screen?
Yeah, share your screen so you can see what they're talking about. Okay, where's your, I don't, you have to.
Share.
No, you're share ready.
Share. What do
You want to just share the notepad. Share the notepad. See, now we see it. Now say share. Now we see it.
Now you see that?
Yes.
USA gig dub AI, and the number ends with
an A.
not with a 2-4 compared to the other one here that ends with a 2-4. So this is not an overspell, no overspell.
So let me just go over that. Here we even do something different than what I have in my headband in the way that we take the area code and we also put it into letters. 305 is just 305, you see, but here it's 872, which spells USA. The 444 spells gig. 38 spells do, like duo, DU. And then the last two digits is 24 that you could use for an extension of AR. So this is what we call overspell. We have 10 numbers and we have 10 characters. We do not have an overspell, meaning we do not have an extra digit. Okay, so can you stop sharing?
Okay, so.
So I think we learned a lot today. I want to emphasize that you need to create an assistant first before you do the telephone numbers, or else you'll be attaching just Mary Dental. Mary Dental becomes the default. But later on, you can change it, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can also even change the assistant. I'll show you in another video of how you can choose another chatbot voice as well. So if you want a male, you want a female, you want somebody other than Ava, Mary is for dental. Okay, so we'll see you all. Stop sharing. Did you stop sharing? Okay, we have it. Okay.
The URL, just let me make sure I get the URL from you.
Of what? You did. You copied it.
That would be my notes.
Okay. Well, we're still in YouTube. You want me to help you?
No,
That's it, right?
I wanted to also in the comment.
Okay, can I stop the recording?
Just a second. Let me come before we go on.
Okay. I'm going to stop my loom in the meantime, put that to my notepad. That's the loom recording. Okay. And it seems sometimes looms is stuck. Doesn't let me do comments. So we'll leave that. I stopped the loom. What else do I have going here? I also have my problem step recorder that I want to stop. And I'm sure I have so many steps. How many steps do I have? Let's see, 122. We're going to save it. We're going to take the last version and we're going to put in today's date, which is already March. Three dash 1 2025. Take out the A. And then we want to charge. I should probably share my screen with you. Let me share my screen so you'll see what I'm doing. See my screen now? Yes. So, a couple of things I wanted to do. Many things I wanted to do. Basically take my notepad, take the name, first line, edit, copy, take that entire line here, Go to the beginning. And it's 1:30, we started, and we're finishing at 3:30. Dash 3:30 p.m. Copy it, save it. And we also can put it in our notes again. And we saved our step recorder. Perfect. And we want to make sure that within here, we also put in zip. So I put in zip. And now I save. So we've done that, the step recorder. I've finished Loom. And I have MSN recorder that I want to stop. I don't want to upload. I can close that. Let's see what else we have. The room is closed. So we want to go back and stop sharing. So anything, Dr. Zoom, anything else you would like to let us know? I guess it was a bit frustrating getting the phone number, but we got 3 phone numbers. We attached Ava, assistant, to all 3 numbers. We have it on job forensics. What I do like is a gig, and many times you think about a job is a gig. What do you think?
Yeah, we got also gig.ai, which is an overspell,
Yeah,
and gig Deuce, which is also good.
yes,
What did they say? Deuce is a leader.
could be a leader.
When it can be either a core or a leader.
Mhm.
Leader or a lead.
Leader, not lead.
Yeah.
And anything else?
Now, so now I saved my pizarra,
Yeah,
and I'm going to save it also in my notes.
I saved mine in my notes as well. Okay, and I'm going to stop recording to YouTube. Oh, this is the cloud. Cloud, I want YouTube to stop first.